12 different types of spiders. Brown recluse spider. Also known as a violin spider, the brown recluse spider is famous for its appearance similar to a violin. While it is common for spiders to have 8 sets of eyes, this type of spider only possesses 6 sets of eyes. As the name suggests, these spiders boast a brown color, but you may also find them in shades like cream, gray, and black. American house spiders. Having the scientific name Parasitoda tepidariarum, American house spiders are locally termed as the common house spider. This spider species belongs to the genus Parasitoda, which is indigenous to the New World. You can typically encounter them in regions like North America, Pakistan, and Myanmar. The best way to spot the American house spider is by judging their abdomen, which is round, and their coloration typically dull brown with tiny spots on its body and legs. The average body size of this type of spiders is a 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters. It is believed that these species can live 4 years after they mature. Tarantula. When it comes to big spiders, the first type that comes into mind instantly is the tarantula. Owing to their big size and hairy body, these spiders are also known as the baboon spider in several landmarks such as Africa. It is easy to get scared of the tarantula as their large size can prove to be intimidating to many people. It is believed that the female tarantula can grow up to 12 inches in length, while the males can be as big as 8 inches only. The tarantula can be found in colors like brown and gray with dark black lines on their legs. Due to their unique size and shape, several people consider getting tarantulas as their pet spider. Goliath bird eater spider. The Goliath bird eater is a type of spider that hails from the tarantula family. Owing to its big legs, more than 12 inches in size, it is known as the second largest spider in the world. This spider species was named soon after it was seen feeding on a hummingbird one day. Since then, it is known as the bird eater spider. The native land of the Goliath bird eater is the rainforests of South America. They dig burrows for themselves where they live and capture their prey. These spiders tend to have a fighting streak as they can be aggressive with other spiders in matters of claiming their territory and ownership. These species make hissing voices by rubbing their legs together when they feel threatened by other spiders. At that point, it is ideal to stay away from them, or else get ready to be bitten by their venom and suffer in pain. Camel spider. If you have ever heard of someone saying names like the wind scorpion or the sun spider, then it clearly means that they are referring to none other than the camel spider. Researchers debate over whether these creatures are really spiders or scorpions, considering they display some characteristics common in scorpions. As compared to other types of spiders, these reptiles are longer in size. Generally, they can grow up to 3 to 6 inches long. These big-eyed creatures can be seen in a wide range of colors from tan to light brown to darkish hues. Ironically, male camel spiders are smaller in size as compared to their female counterparts. They are so small, in fact, that many people mistake them for baby spiders. Wolf spider. Wolf spiders are a muscular and fast-moving species with a face resembling a wolf, hence the name, wolf spider, and 8 eyes that vary in their sizes and shapes. The coloration and the body size of the wolf spider vary depending on the area they are living in. For example, in some regions, wolf spiders are 1 inch long, while they may be half that size in other regions. While these spiders live in many different areas, they are commonly found in North Carolina. They are spotted residing around coastal areas, suburban areas, grassy fields, and pastures. Black widow spider. The black widow spider is notorious for being the most dangerous spider in the world. That's because it has humongous venom glands that can ignite pain, especially if you are bitten by the female black widow spider. It is quite easy to identify female black widow spiders as they boast an intense dark body with tiny red spots on them. The males usually exhibit a yellow or white colored body. Besides having a different coloration, the male black widow spider also comes about half the size of their female counterpart. If you ever spot a spider displaying a hot red shade, beware and move toward the opposite direction. Coming near to the spider at that time can prove to be very harmful to you. Hobo spider. Like the black widow spider, the hobo spider is considered to be hostile and dangerous. Unlike other species of spiders, they don't come in a variety of colors. In fact, they have brown shade with black spots on their bodies. Their central region of the abdomen contains V-marks and two striking spinnerets that pop out of their abdominal. Golden silk spider. The golden silk spider, also known as the giant wood spider and the banana spider, builds a web that is golden in color. This hallmark is exactly why this spider species is called the golden silk spider. The golden hued silk makes the spider's web more attractive than any other spider's web. However, the color is not the only striking feature of the webs. These webs are always created in a special zigzag style. Jumping spider. You will be astounded to find out that there are about 5,000 species of the jumping spider. It is estimated that there is approximate 13% of jumping spiders out of all the spider species in this world. The most distinctive feature of the jumping spider is their 4 large eyes that are lined in a single row. 3 of these eyes help them see, and hence these species of spiders are popular for having good eyesight. Like an insect, these 4-eyed spiders have lungs along with a tracheal system. Both of these body parts support their respiratory system. Redback spider. Redback spiders are native to Australia and are regarded as one of the most dangerous spiders out there. They like to live close to humans, which mean that you may find them in places like basements, sheds, or in the backyard. The webs of these spiders are clammy and messy, and if you spot such webs in your home, you know what's residing in your house. Brazilian wandering spider. The Brazilian wandering spider is claimed to be the deadliest spider in the world. The leg length of this spider can reach up to 6 inches, with 2 inches wide around their abdomen. These spiders like to wander in jungles, especially in the dark, damp areas of the woods. Their most common habitats include the forests in Peru, Colombia, Costa Rica, Paraguay, and Brazil. While spiders are common household pests today, it is interesting to ponder over how they evolved over time. It is believed that spiders evolved about 400 million years ago, and it is also unanimously believed that they emerged from ancestors that resemble the anatomy of crabs.